Okay, you want a tutorial? Wow, I was the wrong person to ask. Yeah, here we go. First you're going to put your bowls down, and then you're going to make a little quick outline. After your outlining, you're going to spray a little purple and pink, and we're going to blend it with our hands. Swipe, swipe, swipe. Alright, we're going to put down a couple layers of green, different colors, with a little black over that. We're going to take our crunched up newspaper, swipe, swipe over the top, and it didn't look that great, so I had to dab it. Now we're going to take our yellow and orange, we're going to spray that on there, put a little white. We're going to grab a bag, push that down there, and just pat it down. There's a nice little bag, pull it up. Alright, now we started on this green planet. We added a little shine, added a little shadow to this pink one, added a little more shadow. I had to dab it because I messed it up too much. Alright, now we're putting a bowl down over here on the green and black one. We're going to put a little green and pink over here. We're going to make a little thing in the background. Just dab, dab, dab it up. Alright, a little white on there. Cover the back with black. I got to shake it up a little bit more because it was running out. We're gonna keep working that till we like it, and just dab, dab, dab. Work around with some black and white. Just see what we come up with. A little purple mist over there. Who doesn't like purple mist? Alright, I'm gonna dab it a little bit more now. And we're gonna hit it with a little shine, but you know what? We don't just want shine. We want a little color on there. We want a little pink. We want a little orange. Let's hit it with a little. Fold this card, bend it up, pinch it down the bottom. We're gonna make a little comet or a shooting star, and we hit it with some pink right after that. Just a little pressure control for the stars and the white. Spray that over, and boom! You put your signature on it, and we're done. Is that a good tutorial? I don't know. I've never really done a good tutorial, but here it is. I hope everyone likes it.